12 simple tips to enjoy life more. Number 1. Ask yourself this question: what is the one thing I can start doing or stop doing that would have the biggest impact on my life? Pick the one thing that is bothering you the most. Come up with a tangible action you can take to start changing it. Now work on it for the next month. Nothing in your life will change until you start doing something differently. Number 2. Get clear on what you want. Part of learning how to enjoying life is knowing exactly what it is you actually want. Try writing down your ideal day. Be very specific. What time do you wake up? How do you spend your morning? What do you eat? Who do you see? Where do you go? This exercise will give you an idea of the difference between what your life is like now and what you wish it were. After all, happiness is often the difference between expectations and reality. Number 3. Make time for yourself. Women especially have a hard time with this. We often spend so much of our lives taking care of others. And we have an underlying feeling of guilt for taking time for ourselves. But if you're not happy, the people you love will suffer. If you think you'll feel guilty for taking some time for yourself, just think how you feel after you snap at your kids or your spouse. I don't really think there's such a thing as a balanced life, but you have to try to work on creating a little space for yourself. It's crucial to your happiness. Number 4. Make time to relax. Somewhere along the way, being busy became trendy. We go around bragging about how busy our lives are, as if chaos were a badge of honor. We all have busy times of the year, or seasons of life. But beware of keeping busy just for the sake of saying you are. Please give yourself permission to relax. Number 5. Avoid the news. Unless you're a superhuman who isn't affected by the dismal daily news, I would avoid watching it if you're finding it difficult to enjoy life right now. If there's something really momentous happening, you'll hear about it from someone you know. Otherwise, watching the news is kind of a colossal waste of time. Watching it leads to fear and anger, and hinders your ability to think for yourself. Plus, 99% of the time, the stories don't really affect your life. Number 6. Explore new places. Whether it be a new park, new restaurant, or new vacation destination, exploring someplace new will improve your quality of life for a variety of reasons. Our brains don't tend to remember the experience of doing the same things over and over. You're far more likely to remember a new experience. Number 7. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. Being thankful isn't just for Thanksgiving. You will be rewarded tenfold every time you express gratitude. Be thankful for both the positive and annoying things that happen to you. We learn from all of it. God, or the universe, or whatever you believe in, can feel the attitude you put out there. If you're constantly angry, negative, and feeling sorry for yourself, it'll give it right back. In short, gratitude makes you less self-centered, and more optimistic, relaxed, and resilient. Number 8. Be social. As an introvert of the highest order, I really struggle with this one. Social events leave me drained for sometimes. But all human beings really are social creatures, and we absolutely need to engage socially. Try to choose people who lift you up. If you feel unhappy after hanging out with someone, that's not who you want to spend your precious free time with. Number 9. Take care of your space. I hate to tell you, but a cluttered, messy home is not going to help you enjoy life more. I'm not saying you have to scrub the crown moldings with a toothbrush every Saturday. Just put things away when you're done with them. Number 10. Move your body. In case you didn't know, exercise releases endorphins, lessens anxiety, and has pain-relieving qualities. All the sitting we do is actually killing us. Number 11. Be curious. When you were a kid, you probably annoyed the heck out of your parents with questions. As we grow up, our sense of curious wonder evolves into feeling like we know it all. If there's something you want to learn or know how to do, start researching it. Ask someone who does it, research it online, take a class, or read books on the subject. Number 12. Stop comparing yourself. This is one of the most important one. Comparison is the thief of joy. You're on a completely different journey, with different struggles and successes than everyone else. You are doing yourself a major disservice if you compare yourself to other people. We all have different strengths and weaknesses. But we're all important. We're all here for a reason. Stop worrying about what everyone else is doing, and focus on being the best you can.